Hello, myself Anjali Kotulkar, and today I am going to talk about the topic that is applications of software. Application of software. Application software is a program or a group of programs designed for end users. The collective noun application software reflects to all applications collectively. Application may be bundled with the computer and its system software or published separately and may be coded as a priority, open sources or university projects. This contracts with system software which is mainly involved with running the computer. Example of an application include a word processor, a spreadsheet, an accounting application, a web browser, an email client, a media player, a file viewer, stimulators, a console game, or a photo editor. Let's discuss about the first application, word processor. Word processor. A word processor, that is WP, is a device or a computer program that provides for input, editing, formatting, and output of text, often with some additional features. Early word processors were standalone devices dedicated to the function, but certain word processors are word processor programs running on a general purpose computers. The final step in word processing came with the advent of the personal computer in the late 1970s and 1980s with the help of subsequent certain of word processing software. What is word processing? Word processing is using computer to create, edit and print a document of all computer applications. Word processing is the most commonly used. To perform word processing, a computer, word processing software and printer is required. To perform word processing system that would create much more complex and capable text were developed and prices began to fall, making them more accessible to the public. Steps in word processor. To create a document is the first step. The next step is store in electronic on USB or on computer display it on the screen. Third step, modify or format it by entering commands and characters from the keyboard. Fourth step, print the document on the printer. So basically these are the 4 steps in word processor. Example of word processor: Microsoft Word, WordPerfect, Dragon, Google Docs, Word Pro 96, RecTime, Scanner View, LibreOffice Writer. These all are the examples of word processors. Now let's discuss about the second application of the software, that is multimedia. Multimedia. Multimedia is characterized by the presence of text, picture, sound, animation, and video, some or all of which are organized into some coherent program. Multimedia is a form of communication that combines a different content from such a text, audio, image, animation, or a video into a single presentation, in contrast to the traditional mass media such as printed material or audio recordings. Popular example Popular examples of multimedia includes video podcast, audio, slideshow, animated shows, and of course, movies. Let's see what are the characteristics of multimedia system. A multimedia system has four basic characteristics. First, multimedia system must be computer controlled. Second, multimedia systems are integrated. Third, the information they handle must be represented digitally. Fourth, the reference to the final presentation of media is usually interactive. What are the benefits of multimedia learning? So over here we will see the 5 benefits of multimedia learning. First one, deeper understanding. Second one, improved problem solving. Third one, increased positive emotions. Fourth one, access to the vast variety of information. And fifth one, world exploration from your own place. Now let's see the third application of software, that is spreadsheet. Spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a computer application for organization, analysis, and storage of data into the tabular form. Spreadsheets were developed as computerized analogs of paper accounting worksheets. The program operators on the data entered in the cell of the tab. Each cell may contain either the numeric or text data or the result of the formulas that is automatically calculated and display the value based on the contents of other cells. A spreadsheet may also refer to one such an electronic document. Now let's see what are the basic features of spreadsheet. So over here I have tried to point out 6 basic features of the spreadsheet. First one, grid rows and columns. Second one, functions. Third, formulas. Fourth, commands. Fifth, text manipulation. And sixth, printing. So these are few basic features of the spreadsheet. Now we will see what are the user interfaces of the spreadsheet program. So, title bar, menu bar, toolbar, formula bar, cell, cell address, column header, row header, sheet tab, status bar are few user interfaces of the spreadsheet program, which I have shown even in the diagram given over here. Now let's see the fourth application of the software which is used in the many cases, that is presentation. Is a process of presenting a topic to an audience. It is typically a demonstration, introduction, lecture, or a speech meant to inform, persuade, inspire, motivate, or to build a goodwill or to present a new idea or product. The term can be also used for a formula or ritualized introduction or offering, as with the presentation of debutant. Presentation in a certain formats are also known as keynote addresses. Now let's see the basic features of presentation. Customize color schemes, adding animational effects, use of sites, notes, and handout masters. Create, edit, and import chart. Create and edit tables. Manage hyperlinks. Create custom show. Expert outline and presentation slide to Word. Thank you.